Hi friends, welcome back to Neil Explains. Today we have got a question that stumps a lot of people, but we will crack it using our step-by-step method. Okay, so if you think 6 minus 6 that is 0, 6 minus 6 that is 0, and if we multiply 0 and 0 that will become 0, then this is wrong. So what will be the right? We will solve it. First, we will write again question 6 minus 6 into 6. The 6 is equal to what? According to PEMDAS or board mass, we can see M for multiplication. Subtraction is the last function or even operation. So, in next step, 6 minus 6 into 6, that is equal to 36. And this minus 6 is minus 6. Okay, so as we know, minus 2 minus, if there are 2 minus, it will be considered as minus. Okay, and suppose minus 1 minus 1, this will become addition, but sign will be minus 2. So here we can see 36 and 6 are in the minus category, so we will add it. 36 plus 6, we can write like this, minus 42, and after subtracting or addition we will get minus 36. If you make it shortcut, then simply cancel it. 6 minus 36 minus 6, simply cancel it, because there is plus 6 and there is minus 6, both are getting cancelled, and you can directly write minus 36. If you want more maths tricks, check out the description book. You will never be regret, and subscribe our channel.